Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Realme 5 Pro smartphone will launch on 20th August in India. So first go to our channel, our website usnmix.com. So here is one report. Realme 5 Pro smartphone will launch on 20th August in India. Go to the full report. But before we start, I just want to say one thing about our channel. Watch the video carefully from the beginning to end, and if you new our channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Science and technology related topic mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our channel, then you can subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell button in the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Okay friend, let's start. Realme 5 Pro smartphone will launch on 20th August in India. Go to the full report. Western Mix report. This big reveal about Realme 5 Pro before launch. So before launch, this news is revealed. Know its special features. According to the leak, Realme 5 Pro will have Snapdragon 710 SoC processor, which will work on Android 9 Pie. Its RAM will be 8 GB. Realme is bringing the Realme 5 Pro smartphone very soon. There has been some disclosure on the feature of this smartphone on Geekbench. Realme 5 also be launched with this smartphone. Snapdragon 665 SoC processor has been given in Realme 5. According to the leak, Realme 5 Pro will have Snapdragon 710 SoC processor which will work on Android 9 Pie. Its RAM will be 8 GB. However, different claims are being made about the processor in different leaks. According to some reports, Realme 5 Pro have Snapdragon 712 SoC processor. According to the leak till now, both smartphones will have 4 rear camera setups. Realme 5 Pro can have a 48 megapixel Sony IMX 586 primary rear sensor. So different leaks, different reports, but in our report, according to the report, both smartphones can be launched on the Indian market on 20 August 19. Both the Snapdragon will have powerful battery 500 MHz. In addition, Charge 3.0 charging technology has been used in it, which will charge 55% of the battery in 30 minutes. So within 1 hour, you will charge the full battery. According to the leaked report, Realme 5 may have a back fingerprint sensor. So this phone have also back fingerprint sensor. Back in the back side, you will get one fingerprint sensor, while Realme 5 Pro is likely to have in display fingerprint sensor. So in Realme 5 Pro also have advanced features, is likely to have a in display fingerprint sensors. This report leaked about the Realme 5 Pro smartphone. According to the report, just taking report, this report is that Realme 5 Pro will launch on 20 August, and this is all these are the features. So that's it about our video, and thanks for watching the video. If you like our channel and like to watch same type of videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe of US Mix YouTube channel. If you want to share any information or ask any question, then you can comment in the comment section of this video. And thank you very much for once again for watching this video. Thank you.